Hi, my name is Maria Rodriguez, and this is my rap about biology. First things first, let's give it up for cells, for real. They can be single-celled or multi-celled, depending on their organelles. These fundamental units that make up life can be distinguished from two
Hold on,
major
now I
types.
can hear you. Let's go back to just playing it on your phone.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I can't hear you now, so go back to playing it on your phone. Since we're having trouble hearing the beat anyway, at least we can hear you over the mic.
Okay.
You don't have to reintroduce yourself though.
First things first, let's give it up for cells, for real. They can be single-celled or multi-celled, depending on their organelles. These fundamental units that make up life can be distinguished from two major types. So please take some notes and listen up close. First up, we have prokaryotes. To simplify, the small unicells can be classified as bacterial,
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Try moving the sound away just so that you can hear it, and then you speak closer to your mic.
Okay, can you hear me? Okay.
Third time's the charm.
Okay. First things first, let's give it up for cells, for real. They can be single-celled or multi-celled, depending on their organelles. These fundamental units that make up life can be distinguished from two major types. So please take some notes and listen up close. First up, we have prokaryotes. To simplify, these small unicells can be classified as bacteria or archaea. These types of cells lack specific organelles. They can be identified if they have no nuclei. Their purpose in life is to provide certain nutrients so organisms can survive. Now, unlike prokaryotes, eukaryotic cells have several membrane-bound organelles. You and me, we are composed of these. Such organisms can be both unicellular or multicellular. Oh, look at that complexity. One time for these living organisms, one time for the different compositions. Now, can you tell the difference? One time you can let me know. Don't be afraid to recognize the differences that set these cells aside. Don't be afraid to recognize the differences that set these cells aside. Life as we know began as a single cell from way long ago. Since then, it's divided again and again through a process of precision known as cellular division. In prokaryotes, cell division occurs through means of binary fission. This asexual reproduction gives new organisms some construction. It is where bacteria can duplicate DNA. For eukaryotes, cells grow and divide when mitosis or meiosis are applied. Four basic phases, pro, meta, ana, and telophase, and you repeat these stages, you end up with meiosis. But whatever the case, each of these divisions are vital for all life conditions. One time for these living organisms, one time for the different compositions. Now, can you tell the difference? One time you can let me know. Don't be afraid to recognize the differences that set these cells aside. Don't be afraid to recognize the differences that set aside. That is all.
Absolutely phenomenal job. I really like that you use the beat to create your version on top of it, because it was very similar to the example one that I gave, you know, and how they used the beat to develop their lyric. So really good work on that. Tell me a little bit about the process. So why you chose the course that you chose, why you chose the topic, and then a little bit about your writing process also.
Okay, I chose biology because there was like a lot of content to go and look at, and it
Mhm.
was just a lot to like, um, a lot of the terms I needed help on. So that's why I chose it. And I went back to Zoom recordings of the teacher, and it really helped me with really getting the material.
Good, good. Okay. Why did you select the beat that you selected?
At first, I actually started with the chorus, and from the chorus, I was like, I should just go from the beat, and that's what I wrote first, the chorus, and I just like went from there, and I used that beat to
Okay.
try and make something up.
Okay. So tell me about this project's usefulness for you as a study tool.
It really helped with my exams. Like I was able to tell the difference between these two cells in more detail, and it was
Yeah,
just like the format of how easy I wrote the words really helped.
good, good. Okay. So if you had to leave some advice for future peers doing this project, what would it be?
To not be afraid to get out of your comfort zone, because that was a big deal for me. I didn't think I was able to do this, and I did it. So
You sure did. And you killed it. You did great.
thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm very proud of you. Good work. Good work. Do you have any questions for me before I stop your recording?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, so let me go ahead and stop you.